Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to use remix icons in your web project. Currently I'm on remixicon.com and they got a lot of icons to use, pretty much similar to the font awesome icons. To use this, you need to click on this link. This will take you to GitHub, and when you will scroll down a bit, you will find a CDN link. Just copy it and close this tab. Now let's go to code editor. Create index.html here. Let's have a basic HTML structure and paste the CDN link. Here create a div element, use style attribute, and text align will be center, just to center line the icon. Now here you can pick any icon of your choice. Let's go with the user icon. Let's go with this, and just click on this button to copy this icon. Paste it here. Let's try one more. Let's go for search. Just copy this like this and paste it here. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. You can see the size is very small, but you can change the size. Here we need to use style attribute. So let's give it a font size of around 25 pixels. You can also change the color. So let's make it red. Simply copy and paste it. Let's make it blue. Let's make it around 50 pixels because I think 25 will not be enough. Save it. So that's the output. So to use the remix icons, you need only two things. First, the CDN link, and second, the icon. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.